Hello, what's up? Ali here and welcome back to our corner. On this video, we'll show you how to convert RVZ file to ISO and WBFS. This is for those who want to play their backup games on the Wii or GameCube. Since RVZ is the most common format nowadays because of how much it can compress files, so you can definitely save a lot of space for your games. But the Wii and GameCube won't recognize this format. So on this video, we'll show you how to convert our games to the proper format if you want to play them on the Wii or the GameCube. And also before we proceed to the actual video, just a disclosure that this video is not to promote piracy, but to simply help our gamers be able to back up their games and play them while saving the lenses of their beloved console. Now let us go ahead on this video. For this, we are going to need a Dolphin Emulator. This is very easy to install. You can find the link on our description, so just download and install this amazing emulator.
I was wondering if you might recognize the girl in this photograph?
I would assume that you already have a backup of your games. Let's start with converting RVZ to ISO, since ISO is the format if you want to play backup games for your GameCube. Now let us go ahead and launch our Dolphin Emulator. Now on the emulator, all we have to do is just highlight the game. So the first time that you open this emulator, you will have to locate the directory of your games first. So double click on this part and locate your games. So my games are located in this folder. I will just go ahead and select this folder. Now to verify your games, you can find on the icon here if they are for Wii or GameCube. GameCube uses ISO, Wii uses WBFS. Now let us start converting our game Metal Gear Solid from RVZ to ISO. All you have to do is simply right-click on the game, click on Convert, and on the format, choose the format that you want it to convert into. Now let us go ahead and choose ISO, then Convert. Now let us go ahead and convert the second disk as well. It will be converted on the same directory where our games are located. Now, as we can see here, we have here the ISO format of our Metal Gear Twin Snakes for the first disk and the second disk. Now, all you have to do to play this on your GameCube is simply place this in your external hard drive. Now, let us go ahead and convert our games to WBFS if you want to play them on your Wii. And to do that, we have to convert it to ISO first. Now let us go ahead and convert the backup of our Twilight Princess first to ISO. Let us go ahead and convert the other games as well. Now here are our ISO ready to be converted to WBFS. And before we can do that, we have to place them first in a folder named WBFS. I have already created one inside my local drive C. Now let us go ahead and place our ISO inside this folder. Next, we are going to need an application called the Wii Backup Manager. You can find the link on our description, so just open the link and click on this part to download. After downloading, just extract it in its folder, open the folder, and run this application. Then here, go on the drive 1 and click on the drop-down menu and choose the drive where your WBFS are located, where your games are placed. In my case, it placed on my drive Z. It will automatically detect all of the ISO files in this drive. Now go ahead and check the games that you want to convert. Then click on Transfer. Here you can choose what format you want to convert it as you transfer the file. Let's go ahead and choose WBFS. Choose your hard drive where you want to transfer the games, and just choose the folder where you want to place your games. Now let us just go ahead and wait for the conversion to complete. After the conversion, as it is meant to be prepared to be played on your Wii, it will be inside the WBFS folder, and the folder and the file with their game code. Now you may go ahead and test this on your Wii. First, let us go ahead and check our GameCube games. Here are the games that we have converted from the RVZ to ISO format. Now let us go ahead and check our WBFS games. So this will be it for now. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go ahead and share them in our comment section and I will gladly address them. And again, my name is Ali. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And I will definitely see you in our next video. Bye-bye.